pekee. Miti tunapanda, mazingira kuboresha. Unganeni na sisi, tung'arishe mazingira yetu. Sisi tuungana nanyi, kwani hatuna budi. Tayari kwa maoni yenu, utu wetu kuboresha. Asanteni dada zetu, mazingira taboresha. Chukueni zenu jembe, miti tuipande. Haya tuungana nanyi, jembe zetu tayari kuipanda miti, nchi yetu kuipendeza. Hewa safi taipata, matunda chungu zima. Wakenya tushikaneni, umuhimu wa miti tupate. Kweli mtupu, tena kabisa, miti ni muhimu, mazingira tuyatunze. Kila mtu ashike haya, tuone mema ya miti. Heko kwenu viongozi, kwa maoni yenu mema. Katupa siku ya leo, tung'arishe mazingira yetu. Twakumbuka kiongozi hayati Wangari Maathai, kaanzisha upanzi wa miti, mbona tusiunge mkono?
Maisha bila miti ni bure tena bilashi. Na wageni twashukuru kwa hafla hii ya leo. Walimu pia na nyinyi, shikaneni na wageni. Wazazi hata na nyinyi, tunzeni mazingira. Maisha bila miti ni bure tena bilashi. Na wageni twashukuru kwa hafla hii ya leo. Walimu pia na nyinyi, shikaneni na wageni. Wazazi hata na nyinyi, tunzeni mazingira. Rangi samawati na
kijani kibichi,
shule ya Mulutu na
mazingira.
Makurubuti sasa kwisha, hakikisha wameisha, thibitisha wamekwisha, pantosha pankwisha, mambo kwisha. Holy Spirit Production, situonane.
The canopy of the trees surrounding us, I think it is good when we are under green trees. And I think everyone will be happy if we shall exist in a green environment. And having said this one, as we plant trees, let's focus on our future as students. Let's ensure for the 4 years you'll be here, let's ensure for the 8 years you'll be in the school, you have obtained something which will assist you in your future life. Discipline is key, and even when you plant trees in your school, ensure that you care for them. Back at home, if you plant trees, ensure you care for them, because the theme is kama unapenda Kenya, panda miti. And I think the DCC has already emphasized on the theme for today. Otherwise, thank you.
Thank you very much for according us this occasion to launch the planting of the trees, which is happening all over the country today. Our main chief guest for the planting trees in this country is none other than His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, who is launching tree planting nationally within the country. Without speaking much, let me inform you that the exercise we are doing here is also happening in other sub-counties throughout Kitui County. At the end of the day, we believe we are going to plant over 15,000 trees. Though here we have planted 4,000, we are remaining with 2,500, of which we plead with the parents, even if you are coming from far away, even those people coming from around this place, please beba miti moja uende nayo nyumbani upande hiyo miti. Our theme today with planting trees today is panda miti, panda Kenya. Panda miti, panda Kenya. Sawa?
Kwa jina naitwa Njoroge, ndio ecosystem conservator. Yetu ni kuona vile tunaweza saidiana na watu wa county to see that Kitui will be green. Our guest of honor, it gives me a lot of joy to see all of us gathered here in Mulutu Secondary School to take this noble cause of our environment. The whole county today is united together in planting planting trees in the whole country. All the 47 counties in Kenya are right now planting trees, led by none other than our president. As we heard, theme this time ni panda miti, panda miti, na mimi naongezea panda miti, penda Kitui, penda Kenya. Ati panda miti, penda Kitui, penda.
You all understand that I am a champion of environment conservation in Kitui County. Sio mnajua? You recall that I banned the charcoal harvesting because it was doing a lot of harm to our environment. I have promised to support activities of tree planting in all our wards to enhance development, conservation, and management of Kitui's forest resources on community and private lands for equitable benefit for present and future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, the county is committed to supporting all the tree nurseries within the wards so that we have enough seedlings for planting. Kitui County government has already taken advantage of the enhanced rainfall and together with other partners and stakeholders planted about 300,000 seedlings. We are fully committed to ensure that we contribute towards the 10% tree cover. Katika katiba yetu tunaambiwa tuhakikishe kwamba miti the tree cover ile percentage ni 10%. In the preamble of our constitution 2010, Kenya Constitution 2010, it mandates Kenyans to be respectful of the environment, which is our heritage, and determines to sustain it for the benefit of the future generations. Chapter 5, Section 69 of the Constitution requires the state, that is the national government, to work to achieve and maintain a tree cover of 10% of the land area of Kenya. In Kitui County, the tree cover is about 7%. As you've heard from Njoroge, because of the activities of the last few months, this tree cover has gone down. But we have also told you, this season, we have planted about 300 seedlings. So we are trying to regain what we may have lost. In this respect, every person in Kitui has a duty to cooperate with the state organs and other persons to protect and conserve the environment, and ensure ecologically sustainable development and use of natural resources. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources, which I'm the minister, recognizes the great role forestry plays in supporting all productive sectors of Kitui County and the Kenyan economy. The Kenya Vision 2030 further underlines the important role that the forestry subsector plays in economic development. As Kenyans aspire to be industrialized and live middle-level income country by 2030, environmental conservation and management will continue being integrated into overall economic framework as a precondition for ensuring right of every Kenyan to a clean environment. I may report to you, matters of environment are integrated in the county government's CIDP. All right? So, yako huko ndani. Kumaanisha in the next 5 years and going forward, tunaendelea kufanya kwa sababu tumeitaja katika mipango yetu ya maendeleo. Ladies and gentlemen, Vision 2030 requires Kenya to strive to achieve the 10% internationally recognized forest cover by 2030. I'm happy to inform this gathering that the current forest cover in Kitui petition is 7%, which means we still have a lot of work to do in tree planting. It is important also to note that an estimated 70% of the population in Kenya is dependent on firewood to cook their food, warm their homes, and boil their water. However, Kenya has a wood deficit of 12 million cubic meters. It means we need to be aggressive in planting more trees in Kitui. Ladies and gentlemen, in my conclusion, I wish to assure all of you that the county government of Kitui will continue partnering and collaborating with all stakeholders to increase our tree cover. Thank you very much.